Welcome. In a previous video I used some Super Clean products to clean my patio furniture, and the Super Clean was provided to me by Super Clean free of charge, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I posted. So in this video I'm going to be using two Super Clean products to clean the wheels on my car. I'll put a link in the description where you can buy these, and if you use some of those links it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So on the left here I have the foaming Super Clean, and then on the right we have the Super Clean all-wheel cleaner. So this is the wheel I'm going to be cleaning. It's kind of hard to see here that it's dirty, but I'll take a Kleenex here and you can see there's dirt. It's just brake dust on there. And then there's a little like dirt around the tire. I haven't been driving this very often, so it's not as dirty as it normally would be. So for protection I'm wearing gloves, and I also have eyeglasses on. If not, I would have safety goggles on. I always wear stuff like that working with chemicals. Then I'm going to use a sponge to clean the rim itself, and I have a brush with a long handle to clean the tire. So to start I'm going to wet down the tire all around. Then I'm going to spray the all-wheel cleaner on the rim portion and the foaming Super Clean on the tire portion. Now I'm going to do some light scrubbing on it. So now I'm going to rinse it off. So I want to say I'm doing this with the wheel cool. You want the wheel to be cool, and I'm in the shade too. You don't want anything to be hot with this process. So now I'm going to dry it off with an electric leaf blower. I'll wipe up some of the remaining water with a towel. Okay, so you can see this is clean now. I'll wipe it down with the Kleenex. There we go. No more brake dust on it. So I'll finish off by putting some sort of protectant on the outside edge of the tire where I cleaned. So that was the Super Clean all-wheel cleaner and the foaming cleaner, and I'd never used either of these products. I've been using the regular Super Clean product for decades, but I do like this foaming cleaner. It's nice for cleaning vertical surfaces. It doesn't drain off quite as quick. And this is very alkaline, and this is an acid, so this eats away brake dust. So works well for that. So if you have any questions about this, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.